Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whenever and wherever you are watching this video from. Guys, in this video, we're going to answer this cubic function. This is 2020 internal exam. So this is 12 marks. So without wasting much of the time, let's read and answer the question. So the question 7a is saying the values of x and y are connected by the equation y is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 5 as shown in the table below. So we have this table here. Okay, so this is what we are given. Then the first question we are asked to find the value of what? The value of p. To find the value of p, we are going to use the graph. So make sure to indicate the question number. This is question 7, question 7a. So question 7a, Roman numeral 1, we are asked to calculate the value of p. So Roman numeral 1 here, we're going to say, find this value of p. You're going to copy this equation there, the way it is. Okay. So the function is y is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 5. So for us to find this value of p, x is what? What is the value of x here? 2. And the value of y is p, right? So where there is y, we're going to substitute with what? P. Then x, 2, right? So it will be 2 to the power 3 plus 4, open bracket, 2 to the power 2 plus 2 minus what? Minus 5. So therefore, what is the value of p? What is the value of p? 21. Okay, so when you punch everything, the value of p here is 21. Okay, so 21 is the answer. All right, so on the graph, make sure to use a pencil. I'm using a pen because a pencil is not visible enough. All right, so let's go to the second question, which is saying, this is question 2. It's saying using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent how many units? 1 unit, okay, on the x-axis, and 2 centimeters to represent 5 units on the y-axis. All right, this is the range that we are given here, -4 to 2, right? Then here -10 to 25 in the y what? In the y-axis. This is in the x-axis. So we are asked to draw the graph of this function. Okay, so this is very simple. What we're going to do here, since it has both negatives and positives, so let's say do this. Okay, so this is our graph. So you should make sure you know the units. So in the x-axis, we are told that it's 1 centimeters to represent how many units? Or 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit, in the x-axis. Okay, then the range, 4, you have from 0 to -4, 0 to 2, right? Okay, so this is very simple. So you can use this. Let's get this part here. Let's start from here. Okay, so here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, let's start from here so that we have a space this side. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fine, 1, 2. So in the x-axis, this is okay. Okay, then in the y-axis, we are told 2 centimeters to represent 5 units. Okay, then in the y-axis, on the negative is just 10, on the positive 25, 2 to represent 5, right? Okay, so we are here. So if here is 0, this is 5. 2 to represent 5, right? 5, this is what? 10, 15, 20, 25, right? Then down here up to -10, right? So this is 5, -10, okay? There's no problem even if you write -15 here. There's no problem. So let's see, now draw the x or y what? Yes, x or y plane. Now that we know where our lines will pass, it is okay to just now draw the Cartesian plane. Okay. All right. Now let's just see, indicate this is the x-axis, right? All right. And then this is the y-axis. All right. This is z, 0. This is negative what? Negative 1, eh? This is negative 2. This is negative 3. And this is negative what? Negative 4. Then this side, 1, right? Then 2. That's it, right? You can even write 3, 4. There's no problem. Okay? Then here, it's 2 to represent 5. So here is negative what? Then negative 10. Okay? Then in the y-axis positive part, this is negative, positive 5, right? Just 5. This is 10. This is what? 15, 12, 20, 25. Okay? 25. Let's end there. Then let's now start what? Plotting, right? Okay? So when you look at our table here, it's saying what? How many? The first one is what? Negative 4, comma negative 9, eh? Negative 4, comma negative 9. So where is negative 4? In the x-axis is this one, right? All right. Negative 4 is here. Now, where is negative 9? So negative 9 is supposed to be down here. Okay. If here is negative 10 here, then where is negative 9? So what you need to know, you need to find the value, to know the value of each small box. Okay, so you need to know the value of each box, right? Okay, so since you have 10 single boxes here, and then 10 boxes represent 5. So what you need to know that is 2 boxes, 1, right? Let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 6 here, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So 9 is here. This is where negative 4, comma negative 9 is. Are we together? Yes. Then we go to the next coordinate, negative 3, comma 1. Negative 3 is here. Here. Negative 1, positive 1 is still, this is 1, right? So this is where positive 1 is, right? Because these 2 boxes represent what? 1 units. Okay, here in the y-axis. Next is what? Negative 2, comma 1. That's the next. Negative 2, comma 1. So negative 2. Comma 1 again. Oh, okay. All right. Next. Negative 1, comma negative 3. Negative 1, comma negative 3. Yes. Also we're going down. Okay, negative 1. So this is 1, 2, 3. So here. Okay. Next. 0, comma negative 5. 0, comma negative what? 5. Negative 5. Oh, 0 is here, comma negative 5. So the coordinate is here. Okay, great. Next. 1, comma 1. 1, comma 1. This is 1, comma positive 1 here. Okay. This is doing great. Next. 2, comma 21. Since 2, comma 21. Yes. That's the value of pi. So 2 is here, positive 21. So we have 20 here. 21. 21 is supposed to be here. Okay, this is where 2, comma 21 is. We're done, Okay. So just need to join these points with a smooth what? Smooth curve. That's why they're telling us to use a pencil, because when you use a pen, you cannot erase if you make what? A mistake, right? So I'm going to try. I'll use a pen. Okay. I will use a pen to draw a smooth curve. So I'm going to start. You start from any point where you are comfortable with, right? So you can start from here, okay? like this. Okay, you can pause. Nice, right? This is the next point, eh? See here, since these coordinates are just the same, just a flat, it's a straight line, eh? Which is just the flat here, like this. Are we together? Don't need to curve. They're just direct. To curve, it means there's a turning point. Now, where is the turning point? There's no turning point here. Like this is the turning point, but here we don't have a turning point. Unless you're telling me that on the coordinates maybe you missed one point when giving me the coordinates, of which it is what correct. It's 3,1. Let me check. Yes, it's 3 negative 3,1 negative 2,1. So you're supposed to have a flat curve somewhere, right? You don't need to curve. To curve, it means that you need to have a turning point. Aye. Okay, so from there, you just drop down to this point. Okay, so this is what our graph looks like. Aye. Now, having written like this, you can just write, this is y is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus what? Minus 5. Okay? And this is 3 marks. Okay? So we've already done the first one. So this is 4 marks together, right? In total. The next question is saying, using the what? Using your graph to find the solution, what? Yes, use your graph to find the solution of the equations. Okay, this is, okay, this is very, very simple. So on our graph, we're going to use this part, okay? This is question what? 3, 3a, 3a. And we're told to use a graph to solve this. X to the power 3 plus 4x squared plus x minus 5 is equals to 0. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So this is very simple. This is simple. How many marks? 2, right? Good. So copy the original equation. Copy the original what? Which is this equation, Copy it down below this, On top, no problem. Y is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus what? Is equals to, just like this, Now check. From the first part up to this point, and here from y, the equal sign, are they the same? If they're the same, we do what? Then you just say y is equals to 0. So you go on your graph where y is equals to what? Is equals to 0. And you know that in the x-axis, y is equals to 0. So this is where y is equals to 0. You draw a straight line, but the line is already what? Drawn. Okay? So just need to indicate that this is y is equals to 0. Now, y is equals to 0. What is the value of x when y is equals to 0? Okay? The values of x is when the curve is cutting the x, this axis, So our solution should be here, and here. This is where the curve is cutting the what? The x-axis, So since it is 2 centimeters represent 1, and there are 10 boxes, meaning each single box is 0.1. Are we together? Let's try. Let's prove this. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. This is what? 2. Oh, 1, Yes, good. 1. Okay? 1. So it is okay. Now, here, according to this is 3, right? 3.1. So since this is in between 3.1 and 3.2, you can get any. Let's get 3.2. 3 point what? No problem. So x is equals to negative 3.2. That's the first answer. All right. Then let's come to this. This is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Okay. So another solution, x here is equals to negative 1.7. We still have another what? Another solution answer, okay? Which is on the positive side here. Here, so you have 0.1. This was 0. What? 0.9. Since this is 1, this is 0.9. Yes. Okay. 0.9. Okay. So when y is 0, the values of x are negative 3.2, negative 1.7, and 0.9. Okay. So that's how you solve such equations. Now we still have another type of equation. Another question which is saying, okay, so it's just the same. It's just the same as this. The difference is on the other side, on the right-hand side, is 2x plus what? 2x plus 4. Don't worry. So just come here on your graph, right? This is question B. Question B, and it's x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 5 is equals to what? 2x plus 4. Okay, so that's what we have. So when you compare with the original equation, which is y is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 5, you will find that there's just the same y. So when you cancel this one and this one, y is equals to this 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4. What do you do when you have such equation? You don't just graph y. You form a table, okay, so that you calculate nicely. All right, so x, this is y. So just plug in 0 in the first box and the 0 for y in the other box, so that you just solve nicely. Okay, so when x is 0, what is the value of y when x is 0 here? 4, right? Because 0 times 4, 0 times 2, 2 times 0, just 4. So y will be 4. Now what if it's y that is 0? The value of x is what? Negative 2, right? Let me show you. If y is 0 here, to be 0 is equals to 2x plus 4, right? Then when this one crosses the cosine, it becomes negative 4 is equals to 2xi over 2 over 2. X is equals to negative what? Negative 2. So here we have negative 2. So these are the coordinates. Let's plot them. X is 0, 4, 0, 4, 0 here, then 4, 1, just here. So this is where 0, 4 is. The other one is what? Negative 2, 0. Oh, just here. Then get a ruler, connect the 2 points. Okay? Connect the 2 points. So this is what you do. Okay. Now, you don't just connect the 2 points up to here. No. Extend the line up to the point where you know that this line can't cut the curve anymore. You know that if you extend it to cut the curve, right? Even this side, you extend it to cut the what? The curve. And that's the purpose of the two coordinates. Because if you just leave here, if you just connect it from this point up to this point, you will not find solutions. Because answers are here, here, and here, where this line is cutting the curve. Okay?
You have said 0 for x is 0, negative 2.
It's negative 2, 0.
Negative 2, 0.
Negative 2, 0 is just here.
So the line is passing from...
Oh, not here?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. That's coordinates. Okay, I think that's the problem with the pen, yeah? Okay, let me use the... do you have... give me a blue pen. Okay, so this is not our coordinate. Okay. So this is supposed to be like this, right? All right, thank you for that observation. So that's why it is very important to use a what? A pencil. Okay. So it is this point, not this one, right? All right. So this line is not supposed to be on our graph. You don't forget to indicate this one is y is equals to what? This one or this one, right? Y is equals to 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. Now, this line is cutting the curve here, so you do like this up to the, you need to know the value of x here, then where else here, okay? You need to know the value of x here, where it's cutting this curve, where else here, okay? When you just drop just between this box, okay? So what is the value of x here? If here is 3, this is 3.1. Is 3.1? Oh, single box is 3.1, eh? Yeah. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. So negative 3.5. So final answers here, therefore, x is equals to negative 3.5. Where else? We have this one, eh? Okay, so this is negative 1.8, right? Yes. Because this is negative 1. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.8. So x is equals to negative 1.88. Okay? 1.8. The last one, this one. Okay? It's in between this line and this line, so you can get any. So this is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Let's get 1.4. Okay? X is equals to positive 1.4, and these are the solutions for our questions. Bear in mind that the black line here is not part of the what? It's not part of our graph. Okay. So we still have the last question, which is under algebra. Let's solve it from the top here. Okay, under algebra, and it's saying express. This is question B. Express 4 over 2x minus 1 minus 1 over 3x plus 2 as a single fraction in its lowest what? Lowest terms. This is very simple. What you need to do is multiply the denominators since they're not the same way. To show that you're multiplying them, just put them in brackets. Okay, like this, then cross multiply. So this 4 will be multiplied by 3x plus 2. Then this negative 1 will be multiplied by what? 2x minus 1. Are we together? Then expand. So we're going to maintain the denominators 2x minus 1. Then 3x plus 2. 4 times 3x, 12x. 4 times 2, 8. This will be negative 2x plus 1. Negative 1 times 1. Collect like terms. Okay, like terms. This will be subtracted with that, and then this one with this one. So what is 12 minus 10x minus 2? 10x. 8 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So over x minus 1, then 3x plus 2. Okay, and this is the final answer. Since we can factorize on top here, and we don't have what is common, so this is the final answer. Are we together? Very good. So you done. This is 12 marks. Okay, you are done.